Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can look for the sightsees in the Cityrail map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the little tourist man button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, here are all the famous locations to find in Dublin. So if you're interested in one, just click on that. And yeah, so here you can find tickets and information on them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.